Trubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Myntri Rangbah kajela ukonrat sangma benda kasngi kalai phau tarik naitung arjar pusan ulayo ban Plie ba ya Karkhana Pynmih mar jong company Pepsi ha Mendipathar not Garo Hills kebal penyat de Varun Beverages Limited habakran shikala bathai kubor Myntri Rangbah ulapin pau kajing ai khublei ya chairman Varun Beverages Ravi kan Jaipuria badiki pat bagi jet ya Mendipathar banwanra ya Karkhana Ulit huru bala penut hadu lai spa sau pukulur tingka halur kini bad kijing penut badang sa baro la penut ke company bad ulaong bagani gede ke Karkhana Pepsi ke bahe tam ha ka than stay lam ningi ulit huru bajan baro ki mar jeng company Pepsi an Pynmih na ke Karkhana kumta kani gende ke lat nak benta ke roi ke par ha ka liang ke yo ka kot nak benta ki basyong basa ha ka than bad ke jela baro ke wi Shushu ulit huru begani kejaka bu eka Karkhana la IT no duki snam shijak na ispa khandai pho bat menta la kumba lai pusan snam ompat dan kejing bu eki Karkhana bahe hakati than kumta kani kalong kejing kerkhui ki brio ka than ba eka jela bro ka wei namar kan long kalat ai kam ai jam yi nong shong shna ulapun pauru bo khmi lenti begindang don shushu ki Karkhana ki banwanra ka jela ban Plie lat ki nong shong shnong ka jela ha roi ka par ban kalat yo kam
This is a rubber plant only. Huh? This is a rubber plant. लगता है आपने मेरी बात सुनी सर हाँ हाँ कोई कपड़ा Today we have inaugurated the Varun Beverages Pepsi plant here in Mendipathar in North Garo Hills, Meghalaya. And I would like to take this opportunity to thank the chairman of RB Corp and Varun Beverages, Shri Ravi Jaipuria ji, and other board members, Mr. Varun Jaipuria and others, for having selected Mendipathar, North Garo Hills and Meghalaya to set up this particular unit of Pepsi and its products, the bottling unit right here. This is a 340 crore plant, and full investment of course has been done by the company, and this is the largest bottling plant in the entire Northeast, and almost all the products of Pepsi and additional products will be bottled and manufactured right here in this location. And this is a huge push towards the overall economic development of this region and the state as a whole. You may recall that this industrial area was, the land was donated in the 1990s. And since then it's been 35 years and no major industries have come up. So this is a great blessing for the people of this area, this region, and the state as a whole. And I'm sure that with investments like these, with the jobs that have been created, we expect more and more industries to come in and set up their factories out here. And we take this opportunity to invite them to come and set up their units here in Meghalaya. And we'll be happy to support them for the overall development, as I said, of the state, and also to provide employment opportunities for our youngsters. Thank you very much.